we've been doing quite a bit of configuration on our Cisco Catalyst switch. After we've made these changes, they take effect immediately. However, if we were to turn the switch off and then back on, changes would be lost. If we want these changes to survive a power cycle, if we want to store or to save those changes, we need to do that by copying what's in the running configuration, what's in RAM right now, what's reflected on screen. We want to copy the running configuration to our startup configuration. The startup configuration lives in NVRAM. That's non-volatile RAM. Non-volatile RAM, it does survive a power cycle. To do that, we can give this command. We can say copy running-config space startup -config. And it says, what's the destination file name? Is it startup config? Yes, it is. And we've saved our configuration. And that was quite a bit of typing in order to copy my running config to the startup config. Usually we'll use a shortcut. We could say copy run, and I'll just do a tab key, and it types out the rest, a space star, and a tab key types out the rest. We could do that. We wouldn't even have to type the tab key if we were certain we were typing in the correct commands. We could simply do a copy run star. That would do it. And one other way that some people do it, in older versions of Cisco iOS, prior to the copy running config, startup config command, there was a write memory command. And even though Cisco would recommend that we do the copy running config, startup config, many people prefer to do write mem because it can be abbreviated with only 2 characters. We can simply do a WR, which is short for write memory. We press enter, and by doing a WR, that also copies the running config to the startup config. But keep in mind, the Cisco best practice, the recommendation from Cisco, because they may get rid of the write mem command at some point in some version of Cisco iOS, we should get in the habit of doing a copy run star. That's going to save our running configuration to our startup configuration.